All right. You're back on my reef. Still cold. It's a polar vortex out there, people. You got the news and you got the internet. So if you watch this 10 years in the future and you're confused about what happened, I want you to just go and scroll down and look at the date. And the almanac will let you know it's cold as balls. So, I'm doing indoor activities, you know. And, you know, the reef has finally worked itself out. It doesn't have nearly as much algae. I guess the algae and the chaeto just finally caught up. It took long enough. It took months. The piece I had was just too small. It's finally kind of choking back and things are doing a little better. Just random. Low Anthony. There you go on the puppy. Yeah, I don't even know what it's called. It glows pretty, and I like that. That's about all I really care about. I don't really care about the names. Money caps, yeah. And a breeze maker that's probably older than some people's reef game. Out of there, get some new technology, but anyway, some GSP, you know, some beginner stuff. Yeah. Can't buy. I won't buy something stupid expensive if I can't, you know, get the little cheap stuff to grow. Plus, I like the green star polyps and whatnot. And my tang shy. If you seen my other video, I told you about tangs. You know, that little shy. You can hide, bro. It's okay. I don't know if the shrimp will react in the same way. But yeah. So everything's kicking pretty good. All the animals are alive still. Nothing has died. Except for algae, thank God. I have a new light. I'm sure this is gonna blind everybody. They're running at about, the one's just a little cheap marine light. The other one in the back is a Chinese box light. And it's running about 50%. We're gonna see. I'm sure I'll get plenty of hate. Don't hate yet, because I'll buy another one, so place your bets on how well 2 of those will do. But it's passive. This whole thing is a sink. And it is just barely warm to the touch. It has no fan, even though I purchased a fan from China. Like a 6-fan line unit. And I'll put that on when I get another one of these. And 2 of these, plus this, it's a whole lot of fine china going on, Jesus. Anyway, with the combination of all those things, you know, I think I'll be able to grow coral. Everything's growing pretty good. The money cap looks like it's doing pretty good. Everything's growing and doing well, thank goodness. It's, you know, ups and downs in this hobby, and I've had plenty, you know, over the years. So I'm trying to, you know, keep it at a minimum now. Take my time. Patience, that's probably your biggest help, is just be patient. So, you know, I'm not gonna make this video long. I'm not gonna take up too much of your time. So I'll just end it here and feed the fish, and everybody can just move on with their life. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, I'm out.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.